Hi to everybody at the 10th Indian World Film Festival 2026. So, the major inspiration behind making Pia was that we wanted to explore the concept of anticipatory grief and how people tend to behave or what kind of decisions they tend to make when they are going through a difficult phase in their life. Major drive behind making this film is that we don't see a lot of complicated emotions being carefully dealt with in cinema. Like, it's either love or it's either lust or it's either anger or it's either pain, very direct emotions. This story deals with a lot of layered emotions that we wanted to deal with sensibly. So I think that was the major drive behind making Pia. So I wouldn't say that we had any major roadblocks while making Pia, because we had an abundantly talented team that was ready to put in their heart and soul into making Pia. The human and financial resources, it was an own production. We have an amazing team of actors, of technicians, so not much effort went into sorting that out. So very glad for that. So Pia showcases an extramarital relationship, and I think one of the major challenges that myself and the writer had to discuss about was the fact that this film should not glorify extramarital relationships, but at the same time, we did not want to villainize the relationship that Pia and Parthi shared. It is a relationship of circumstance, and we wanted to deal with it in a very sensible manner. I think it was a very fine line that we had to walk on, and so that was a little bit challenging, but nonetheless, hopefully, it has been achieved in the film. I think the film has come out better than we had originally envisioned it because of the strong cast and crew that has taken part in it. So definitely it is better than what it had been originally put on in paper. The target audience of this film are matured adults, matured individuals who are going through complicated phases of their life, and hopefully they see this film and they kind of find a little bit of solace about what's going on in their lives. We want to make them know that it's okay to feel these complicated emotions. I think those are the audiences that we want to watch our film. As far as the USP is concerned, like I said, previously mentioned, this film deals with an extramarital relationship that is neither glorified nor villainized. It's a situation of circumstances. So, and as adults, we also come through, symbiotic relationships in our lives. Not necessarily it has to do with love or lust, but even in friendship. So, seeing this film, it kind of, I feel like those kind of relationships come to light when you see Pia. The audience should watch this film because this film will speak to that part of you that you do not showcase to the outside world, the part that feels guilt, shame, regret, the part that is flawed, that makes mistakes. I feel like, this film, Pia will speak to that person inside of you and let you know, it is okay to feel such emotions. It is okay to be that person, because what really matters at the end of the day are the choices that you make. And I feel like Pia will do that. To emerging filmmakers, I would like to say that there are some subjects that are risky, that there are some subjects that are easy, like, love or winning as the protagonist always wins and the antagonist always loses. Those are easy stories. But real filmmakers, the ones who want to make change, I feel like, you should pick stories that are risky, because they are stories that need to be told. Those are stories that will resonate with, the depth of a human being, So I feel like pick those stories, make those stories, take that risk. You might watch your film being showcased in a esteemed film festival. You would never know. So take that risk is what I would say. And I wish the very, very best for the 10th Indian World Film Festival 2026. I'm sure that the event is going to be a huge success. I am super excited to be there. My team is super excited to be there. And we will see you all there. All the very best.